Hello everyone, I'm Mridula from Punjab, and today I'm going to talk about my favorite topic from the Vedic Maths Level 1 course I attended by Art of Living. So it is cube root in seconds. Yes, you heard right, just in seconds. So before proceeding with the topic, I would like to share my experience regarding the course. So it was really amazing. Like Vedic Maths is a bliss. Like earlier I used to have some doubts regarding multiplications. Those complex multiplications were boring, and I used to have some errors at the same time in it. But with Vedic Maths it is so easy, like so easy and interesting as well. Like it has made me fall in love with numbers. So let's talk about the prerequisite for this topic, that is cube root in seconds. So the prerequisite is cubes from 1 to 15. You have to learn the cubes from 1 to 15 to find cube roots in just seconds. Yes, you can find cube roots in just seconds using Vedic Maths, and I learned it from the Vedic Maths course itself, and it is quite easy. So first of all, let's have a look at cubes from 1 to 15. So guys, here we have cubes from 1 to 15. You guys have to learn it. Now leaving everything, just look at the last number from these cubes. 1 cube ends with 1, 2 cube ends with 8, 3 cube ends with 7, and so on. Look at it. Now you'll notice that 2 cube ends with 8 and 8 cubes ends with 2. Similarly, 7 cube ends with 3 and 3 cube ends with 7. Rest all the cubes end with the same number, the same value. So this is what you need to remember, and this is what you are going to use ahead. So clearly 2 cube ends with 8, 8 cube ends with 2, 3 cube ends with 7, and 7 cube ends with 3. And all others here are just same. So basically you know that 2 and 8 and 7 and 3 are complementary to each other. So every time we are just going to replace these digits. So now I'm going to talk about two questions to make your concept much clear and to tell you about the method. So let's begin with it. So my first question is, cube root of 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. So first writing the number here, 3, 2, 7, 6, 8. Now just look at the last number, that is 8. So the main rule is we are going to replace 8 by 2 and vice versa, and similarly 7 by 3 for the last number of our answer. So here it is 8, so we are going to replace 8 by 2. Next we are going to cancel out the next two digits, that is 76 here, and then look at this 32. Now you have to check. So here our previous knowledge will come, that is cubes from 1 to 15. So here we'll check that 32 lies between which two cubes, and the smaller one will be our number here, right? So talking about cubes in between which 32 lies, it is 3 cube, that is 27, and 4 cube, that is 64, and 32 lies between these two. So this is what we need, and this is our answer. See how simple it is. Now let's talk about another example to make the concept more clear. So talking about cube root of 13824. So again writing my number here, 13824. Now the last number is 4. We just need to replace 8 with 2 and 7 with 3 and vice versa. We don't need to replace any other number, so 4 will remain same. Next we are going to cancel out the next two numbers, that is 82, and now here we get 13. So talking about 13, we need to check between which two cubes 13 lies. So 2 cube, it is 8, we know that. 3 cube is 27, and 13 definitely lies between 2 cube and 3 cube. So our answer will be the smaller one, that is 2, and this is our answer. So talking about the method, first of all, check the last digit. If it is from 2837, then replace it accordingly. Otherwise, keep it same. Then cancel out the next two digits. And then check between which two cubes the leftover digits lie. Smaller one will be taken. So this was it. Thank you, and have a nice day.